అక్బరుద్దీన్ గారు.
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर साहब, ये ज़ीरो ओवर में औकाफ की एक बहुत बड़ी और इम्पॉर्टेंट जायदाद जो कई बरस से कब्ज़े में है उसके ताल्लुक़ से उठा रहा हूँ। अभी मेरा सवाल था वक्फ बोर्ड का, लेकिन सर्वे के बारे में था, इसलिए उसमें इसको ऐड नहीं करा मैं। सर, ये मौकूफ़ा जायदाद है जिसका नाम है ओल्ड मॉस्क एंड चिन्ना मौला अली, जिसकी मस्जिद भी है और इसका एक गज़ीट नंबर 6A 9 फरवरी 1989 में जो निकाला गया, और ये अटैच वक्फ लैंड है इन सर्वे नंबर 10/1 एंड 10/2 ऑफ हबशीगुड़ा विलेज हैविंग एन एक्सटेंट ऑफ 84.39 guntas, 84 acres and 39 guntas, sir. Sir, the brief, I would like to say that ये ज़मीन आपको सुन के हैरत होगी कि उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी के कब्जे में है सर। 84 acres of land, sir. सर, अगर इसकी हिस्ट्री देखे जाते हैं सर, prior to establishment of Usmania University, sir, this land in the survey number which I had mentioned, sir, was there, sir. The Inamdar claimed that the land were not acquired, but the other neighboring land were acquired, and the matter had gone to the courts. Sir, Usmania University filed an OS number 1 in 1956 claiming that the subject land was acquired by the Nizam government. The request for eviction of the person in process. The Honorable High Court dismissed the OS in 1959 stating that the scheduled land were not acquired, sir. Aggrieved by the said order, Usmania University preferred an appeal in CCA number 61 of 1959, which was also dismissed, confirming the order in OS number 1, sir. Sir, the Usmania University again requested the government of Andhra Pradesh then for eviction of encroachers according to the Tehsildar Hayatnagar, issued notices. Sir, again, in that act, an order was passed, sir, and this aggrieved by the said eviction order, Tehsildar Hayatnagar, then occupant preferred to go for an appeal with the sub-collector, sir, and in sub-collector also the same was dismissed. Later they filed a writ petition number 1539 of 1974, challenging the eviction proceedings of Tehsildar Hayatnagar, wherein again the High Court dismissed the writ petition. Aggrieved with the same, they preferred an appeal of number 905 in 1975, wherein the division bench set aside the eviction orders of Tehsildar Hayatnagar, sir. Sir, aggrieved with the order of the High Court, in appeal number 905 of 1975, Usmania University preferred civil appeal CA number 2031 of 1977 before the Honorable Supreme Court, sir, wherein the Supreme Court upheld the judgment of division bench's appeal number 904 of 1975, sir. Sir, this matter was again referred to Advocate General, sir. By the government, the AG said that this is not a fit case to be filed as a suit, and it is time barred and no chance of success whatsoever, sir. And this was again done in the year 2002, sir. Sir, also the registrar of Usmania University in 1958 recorded a statement stating that he has not seen documents of acquiring the land or remember the name of the office who was taking charge of the land. Sir, through you, I request ये मस्जिद और ये 84 एकर्स जो उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी अपनी लैंड बोल के कब्जा कर रही है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट भी आया है, प्लीज हैंड ओवर दिस लैंड टू वक्फ बोर्ड so that we can take up. वहां एक यूनिवर्सिटी करेंगे, अगर यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए अगर कम पड़ी है जमीन तो ठीक है साहब, the government can take the land on lease and give some money for that land at least. कुछ तो करिए, या नहीं तो एक एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन माइनॉरिटीज के लिए बना दीजिए सर, 84 एकड़ सर. तो आई रिक्वेस्ट through you to the government, sir, to kindly take an appropriate action and see that this land is handed over to the Waqf board, sir. Thank you, sir.